Hello, this is Jessica Holmes. I just wanted to go over some students have been asking me like, how are we going to make this schedule work, being at home. So these are just some few quick tips for you, how to handle going virtual. So these are just my suggestions, and you take them, see what you think. Okay. So first of all, handling virtual, everybody's different. So first, let me say welcome. Virtual is an awesome place to be. Going virtual is one of the best decisions I personally was able to make. So for you, I'm virtual. Now what? What do I do? Whether this is your first class, you're taking all classes, or you're a hybrid version, blended, whatever you're calling yourself. Um, Finding a schedule that works for you and your schedule is what is going virtual. It's all about. And so when you think of trying to make this new way of education work for your life, you are the one who's going to make it work. So the right schedule will help you reduce your workload, stress, and get your academic goals on the right track to success. So this quick tutorial just will help you set your priorities, get you on the path to your best school year virtually. All right, so what is virtual education? So the way that you're taking it, for you, it is learning on the Edmentum software platform, which is awesome because it is adaptable to every schedule with its save and pick up where you left off features. Please watch the videos that we roll out to you and let your parents watch them. It's so crucial to involve your family in this because you're going to feel the stress. You're going to feel the, oh my gosh, I'm not meeting my deadlines. It's okay. Reach out, okay? Use your support system. I'm part of your support system. Your family's part of your support system. If you work, your boss is part of that. All right, establish a set of rules. Rules? What? Say what? I thought those were like out the door. Nope. Rules provide the structure necessary for an engaging and productive life. Okay. The great thing about going virtual is that you get to follow them safely from your choice of location and observe them without interference from negative influences. Okay. So you're like, okay, keep on talking, lady. Look, guys, keep it simple. All right. And here's how you can keep it simple. The trick for you will be all about time management. You will have to decide what matters the most to you. If you don't do this, you're just going to stay confused the whole time. Okay. So, number one, everything will come down to this: what's important? Okay. So, if getting your education is important to you, then you will make the extra time to get the work done. Okay. So, that means if I go to work at 10 o'clock, guess what? I'm going to get up at 6 o'clock in the morning, take my shower, 7 o'clock, and then I'm going to work on my Edmentum work for an hour and a half. It is what it is. Okay. All right. So again, the trick for you will be all about time management. All right. So here's some of our schedules potentials. Okay. So we have the cluster effect. All right. So what some students do is they build a schedule to work 4 to 5 hours, 1 to 2 days a week, and they just basically knock out a whole week's virtual work. All right. My next kind of student is the chipper effect. Okay. And basically what they do is like chip away at the work all week long. Okay. They build a schedule to work 1+ hour or hours each day, 4 to 5 days a week to work on their virtual work. And then I have the weekend warriors. Okay. This is the least effective because what they do is they don't work on their classwork all week long, and then they wait until the weekend and they cram it all in. Okay. And so you complete all your virtual assignments over the weekend, and there's always something that comes up. So I do not suggest this last one. And so that's like Friday, Saturday, Sunday. For those of my students that work and they have the dedication to do that, it works for them. But this was a quick tutorial of how to schedule your day, your week. Um, Look at these different schedules. Okay. I know I'm talking fast, but at the same time, hopefully something will work for you and we can help work this out. Email